Hi everyone, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we are learning factorization of quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term, which is very important concept for class 8, 9, 10 and so on, even for entrance examination. If it is in form of x square plus bx plus c. So we will practice 30 questions so that we can master the skill. So for coming to the concept, if the question is x square plus bx plus c, that means x square has the coefficient 1, then for to split this b into two parts, you have to think two numbers whose multiplication or product is equal to c, this constant, and same number whose add is equal to adding, you get b. For example, if I write x square plus 5x plus 6, that means you have to think your two number whose product is your 6 and addition result is 5. Certainly this will be not 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is 6, but 6 plus 1 does not give you 5. So you have to think of two number. So 2 and 3, if we multiply, it will 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So I'll split as 2 plus 3. Similarly, if it is ax square plus bx plus c, here you have to think two number. I'm writing it number 1, number 2, whose product is equal to a into c. And the sum is equal to the same n1, n2, number 1, number 2 gives you b. That means you can split b into your n1, n2. This is the concept. So while solving the question, you will understand better. First question, I was discussing this question. Here also the same question is there. So what we'll do, you will think the number whose product is equal to 6 and same addition is your 5. So we have done it. It is 2 and 3. So what I'll write x square, and this 5x I'll write as 2x plus 3x. This is the meaning of splitting. Splitting 5 into 2 and 3 plus 6. Next what we'll do, we'll take two pair and I'll take common. So what will be your x square per 2x? What will be the factor of this? This is your 2x certainly. So I'll take x common here. What will remain in the bracket? X square, I took x, x will remain. And 2x, I took x, 2 will remain. Then I'll come into second pair. Second pair, if you observe it, it has the 3 as a factor because 3 into x, 3 into 2. So 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2, 6. So next term, you will take this 2 factor. That means it has x plus 2, second term also x plus 2. So x plus 2 will take outside. So what will remain in the first? It will remain x. What will remain in the second? The second will be 3. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 multiplies your x plus 3. These are the two factors. Next question, y square plus 10y plus 24. In the same way, think of two number whose product is equal to 24 and same number when you will add, they gives you 10. What is the number? Can you think of? Think. So it will be either 24 into 1, no. 12 into 2, 12 plus 2, is it 10? No. Then you will go for 10. No, 10 cannot be there. Then next think of 8. 8 into 3 is 24 and 8 plus 3 is equal to 10. No. Then go for 6. 6 into 4 is 24. So 6 plus 4 is 10. That means the sum you will get 10, the multiplication you will get 24. Then only you will break it. Not 12 2, not 8 3. Don't make any mistake. So what I'll write that y square 10y, I'll write 6y plus 4y plus 24. Next, you make pair. First, I'll take y common. So y will be left from 6y, 6 will be left. Next, I'll take 4 common. 4 into y, 4 into 6. Then y will be left. Here 6 will be left. So next, I'll take common what? Y plus 6. So for the first term, y will be there. For second, 4 will be there. So what is the factor? Factor is y plus 6 multiplies y plus 4. So you'll write the answer statement: y square plus 10y plus 24 is equal to y plus 6 times y plus 4. Y plus 6 times y plus 4. I hope you have followed. Question number 3. Z square plus 12z plus 27. Z square plus 12z plus 27. So think of the number, two number whose multiplication result is 27. Same result you will add, you will get 12. Can you think of 27? It's very easy. 9 multiplies 3, 27, because 27 is very less number of factors. 9 plus 3 is 12. So I'll break 12 as 9 and 3. So z square plus 9z plus 3z plus 27. Now the question is, can I write 3z here and 9z here? Yes, we can write, no problem. So z taking common from these two, I'll take z common, so z plus 9. Next I'll take 3 common, so z plus 9. Next what? I hope you have understood now. Z plus 9 common, and first term z is left, second term 3 is left. So now write the statement: z square plus 12z plus 27 is equal to, this is 27, is equal to z plus 9 multiplies z plus 3. Question number 4. P square plus 6p plus 8. This is a very simple question. What is multiplied to 8 and what same thing you have to add to give 6. This is certainly 4 into 2. So p square plus 6p is equal to 4p plus 2p plus 8. 4 2 times 8, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So p plus 4 common. Next is plus 2 common, p plus 4. From out of this two term, I'll take p plus 4 common. Then for first p will be left, second 2 will be left. So answer is p square plus 6p plus 8 is equal to p plus 4 into p plus 2. Next, question number 5. X square plus 15x plus 56. So think of the number. When you will multiply, you will get 56. And when you will add them, they will give 15. It will take time because it is a big one. Still you can think. 56 into 1 cannot be 82 into 28 into 2. No, it is 15. It cannot be 28 plus 2 cannot be 15. Then you will get for your 14. 14 into 4. 14 into 4, 56. But 14 plus 4 is not equal to your 15. Next is your 7 into 8. 7 into 8, 56. 7 plus 8, 15. So this is correct answer. So I'll break it: x square plus 7x plus 8x plus 56. Now take x common. X plus 7 plus 8 common. 8 times of x, 8 times of 7. 56. So x plus 7 common. You are getting x plus 8. So now write down the answer: x square plus 15x plus 56 has two factor. One is x plus 7 and x plus 8. Question number 6. X square plus 19x plus 60. So think of two number whose product is 60, 60, and addition is 19. Can you think of? Yes, you can think of. So number should be less than your 30. Then I won't go for 30 into 2 because 30 plus 2 will not be 19. Then you will go for 15. 15 4 times is 60. By trial and error method, you have to get in this way how I am doing. So I'll break 19 as 15 and 4. So this will be x square plus 15x plus 4x plus 60. So x common, x plus 15 plus 4 and within bracket x plus 15. Again I'll take x plus 15 outside. So it will be x plus 4. So go on writing the answer. So x square plus 19x plus 60 is equal to x plus 15 multiplies x plus 4. Next, x square plus 13x plus 40. So multiply. You can pause the video, you can do yourself. Then you can compare whether you have done right or wrong. So it is very simple. 8 multiplies 5, 40. 8 plus 5, 13. So I'll write x square plus 8x plus 5x plus 40. Then 2 I'll take common x. So x plus 8. And from these two I'll take plus 5 common. So x plus 8. So this gives you x plus 8 multiplies your x plus 5. So writing the answer, x square plus 13x plus 40 is gives you x plus 8 multiplies x plus 5. Next is a different question. Why? Now we are getting a negative. B is negative here. B is minus 10. Okay. So this is q square minus 10q plus 21. What does it mean? When you will multiply two terms, this gives you 21. But when you add them, it will give you how much? It will give you minus 10. When you will add them, it will give you minus 10. Think of yourself. Then I'm doing again. So this will be how much? You will multiply 21 and add, it will give you minus 10. It will be how much? 7 into 3, how much? 21. And 7 and 3 gives you your minus 10? No. Minus 7 into minus 3 is 21. Minus 7 plus minus 3 gives you minus 10. So when there is a negative charge, negative b, so how to write this expression? No problem. First you think of as you are thinking in positive, that 7 into 3 is 21 and 7 plus 3 is 10. I'm not considering the negative now. So 7 into 3, 21, 7 plus 3, 10. But there is a negative sign. So what I'll write a q square minus 7 plus 3 is gives you your 10 plus 21. What does it mean? 7 is also negative, 3 is also negative. So you can write q square minus 7q minus 3q plus 21. You can directly also write this step without writing this, but I'll suggest to write in this way so that there will be no mistake. You can verify the 7 plus 3 is 10 or not. So I hope you have followed. So we thought what should be multiplied to get 21? That is your 7 and 3. What should be multiplied to get your 10? I am not taking now minus 10. I am not taking minus 10, just taking 10 and putting them within the bracket. This is equal to 10, so this will be 7 and 3. But here I am putting the negative and both are writing negative. So this will be now taking common. If we take common q minus 7 will remain, and take care of this sign, it will be minus 3. Then it will be q, and out of plus 21 you have taken minus 3, so minus 7 will be left. So it will be how much? Q minus 7, taking common, it will be q minus 3. So q square minus 10q plus 21 is equal to q minus 7 into q minus 3. For negative b, you are getting both the factor are as a negative. Next coming to another question where c is negative. P square plus 6p minus 60. So here what to do? You have to think two numbers whose product is minus 16 and same number when add this gives you 6. Can you think of number? You can think what when is one negative, c is negative, then one is negative, one is positive. So at first I'll not think which one is positive, which one is negative. First I'm thinking if it is negative sign here, then I'll think that two numbers multiplied gives you 16, and two numbers when they are subtracted, because it gives you 6. Subtracted means they are opposite sign, so always you will get a subtraction. So what are the number? It will be your 8 into 2, 16. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So please note how I am writing this question. I am writing p square plus, I am breaking 6 as your 8 minus 2. Then I'll write in the bracket, I'll write 8 minus 2 p minus 16. I hope सबको समझ में आया. मैं थोड़ा ये हमको पेन डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. 8 minus 2 by 6. Next step is very important because I'll write 8 into p, so it will be positive 8p, and minus 2 into p, it will be negative 2p, and minus 16 is as it is. So what I'll write, take p common, p plus 8, and here I'll take minus 2 common. So when I'm taking negative common, p will be positive and 16 will also be positive. Giving 2, it will become 8. In the next step, I'll take p plus 8 common. What will be left? Left will be p minus 2. So you are getting one positive, one negative when c is negative. So if you observe this carefully, then you can think of the answer also. P plus 8 into p minus 2. Next, factorize x square minus 10x plus 24. So two numbers multiplied gives you 24, and two numbers when add gives you 10. What are the numbers? You have done already this type of question. It will be 6 and 4. 6 into 4, 24. 6 plus 4, 10. So please note how I am writing. I am writing x square because when there is a negative sign, you should be extra careful. Negative. Here I'll write instead of 10. Instead of 10, I am splitting into 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4 into x plus 24. In the next line is, you should be very careful because minus 6 into x, negative 4 into x. So both will be negative here. And once you can check it, it is minus 6 minus 4 gives you minus 10. Yes, it is right. Next is taking common. Take x common, x minus 6 is left, minus 4 common, x minus 6 is left. If I'll take minus from here, it is positive, but if you take from 24, you are taking this negative, it will be how much? It will be again another negative. 4, 6 times 24. So what I'll take common? I'll take common x minus 6. What will be left? X, here left x minus 4. So this will be x minus 6, it multiplies x minus 4. So what is the answer? Answer is x square minus 10x plus 24 is equal to x minus 6 multiplies x minus 4. Next, x square minus 23x plus 12, 42, sorry. So think of two number. When you will multiplying, you are getting 42. Same number, when adding, you are getting 23. Think of 42. What are the factors of 42? It is 2 into 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. Yes, correct. At one trial we got it. 21 plus 2. So I'll write x square. So I'll split this 23 as 21 plus 2. But I should take care of negative sign before that, which is very, very important. So when you will open the bracket, 21x will be negative, 2x will be also negative. Next, what will be common? X taking common, x minus 21. Minus 2 taking common, x minus 21. Take care, this and this will be same as symbol, otherwise you have done a mistake somewhere. X minus 21, take the common, what will be left? X minus 2. So the answer is x square minus 23x plus 42 is your x minus 21 into x minus 2. So when B is negative, C is positive, you are getting both negative. Like this, you can notice it, you can note down it, you can observe it so that it will be easy for you gradually. Next, x square minus 17x plus 16. So I will split 17. How? Two numbers, if you multiply it gives you 16. Same two numbers, when is added, you get 17. What is it? Certainly it will be 16 into 1. So this is very easy. So I'll write x square. Don't forget this negative sign. It is very important. 17, break this or split this into 16 plus 1, x plus 16. Next, go on simplifying. So this will be minus 16 into x. And this will be minus 1 into x plus 16. From first two, I'll take x common. What will be left? X minus 16. From these two, what is common? Nothing is common? Yes, 1 is common. When nothing is there, 1 is come to rescue. So 1, x, and 16 minus I have taken, it will be a negative 16. So then I'll take x minus 16 common from both of them. So for the first case, x is left, 1 is left. So write down the answer. So x square minus 17x plus 16 is equal to x minus 16 multiplies x minus 1. Answer. Question number 13. Y square minus 21y plus 90. So split 21 as two numbers. When you will multiply, gets 90. Two numbers, you will add them, it is 21. What are the numbers? Can you think of? 18 into 5. Do they give you 18 plus 5? Do you get your 21? No. So it is cancelled. Next part. What is the 90? 90 is 10 into 9. 10 into 9, 10 plus 9 is not 21. Then I am breaking it 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 18 and 5, no. Then 3, 3, 9 has 3, 3. So I'll pair 5, 3, 15 and 2, 3, 6. So 1 is 15, 1 is 6. 15 plus 6, 15 plus 6 is 21. 15 into 6 is 90. So as I am doing, you have to do by trial method. For that, should know the multiplication table well. So y square minus 15 plus 6, y plus 90. So this is equal to y square minus 15y minus 6y plus 90. Then I'll take y common. What will be left? Y minus 15. Then I'll take minus 6 common. What will be left? Y minus 15. So y minus 15 is again taken as common from both of them. So what will be left? Y minus 6. So write down the answer. So y square minus 21y plus 90 is equal to y minus 15 into y minus 6. So you have to find out when you are getting. Suppose 90 क्या क्या हो सकता है? 18 into 5 हो सकता है. तो 18 plus 5 21 नहीं हुआ. फिर क्या हुआ ना, ये 15 into 6 हो सकता है. तो 15 6 90 होता है और 15 plus 6 21 होता है. तो till you get this pair, you have to think of in this way. Next is x square minus 22x plus 117. So you have to break your 22 as sum of two numbers whose product is equal to 117. So 117 is only in 13 table. 39 times your 117. So 13 plus 9 is 22. So this is very easy if you know the table of 13. So I'll write x square minus 13 plus 9, x plus 117. So how much will be this? X square minus 13x minus 9x. So this step is very important what I am writing. If you mistake here, then whole thing will be a mistake. So x square, x common, x minus 13, minus 9 common, whatever will be there, you will write here. And you will check whether you are getting the first component as same. If you are not getting, that means it is a mistake. X minus 13 into x minus 9. So write the answer, x square minus 22x minus 117 is equal to x minus 13 into x minus 9. Answer. X square minus 9x plus 20. I hope this question is very easy. You have to break 4 as sum of, break 9 as sum of two numbers, and the same number give multiplication gives you 20. Nothing to think. Is there anything to think? 5 4 times 20. 5 4 times 20. 5 plus 4 9. This is the simplest thing. So break 9 as your minus 4 plus 5 x plus 20. Now x square minus 4x minus 5x. I hope now you don't need my help. You can do yourself. You can practice as many as questions possible. So this will be x minus 4 into x minus 5. So now write the answer. This will be x square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to x minus 4 into x minus 5. Question number 16, factorize x square plus x minus 132. Again, you are getting here minus 132. Okay, so let me summarize what we did now. Suppose I am writing two questions, x square plus 9x plus 20. It could be a question. X square minus 9x plus 20. It could be a question. If this would be a question, we are writing x square plus 4x plus 9x plus 20. And I'm writing x plus 4, taking common x plus 4 plus, sorry, this will be 5. 5 taking common, I'm writing x plus 4. Or this gives you the result x plus 4 into x plus 5. That means when B is positive, C is positive, you are getting both the positive terms. Now coming to x square minus 9x plus 20. So here what I am writing? I am writing minus 4 plus 5 as I discussed just now. In the second step, it is becoming how much? X square minus 4x minus 5x plus 20. Then I am taking common your x. I am getting x minus 4. Taking minus common, I am taking x minus 4. That means I am getting x minus 4 into x minus 5. Just observe this. When B positive, C positive, we are getting all positive. When B is negative but C is positive, C is positive. Here C is positive, here is also C positive, but B is negative. I am getting both negative. Okay, that means when C is positive, either both are positive or both are negative. But this question is different. Why? Here C is negative. When C is negative, that means one factor will be positive, one factor will be negative. So there you should take care. So now I'm going for questions when C is negative. Then what I'll do, I'll think of two numbers whose product is equal to 132, but same number when subtracts gives you 1. Where is 1? 1 is the coefficient of x. B. We have to split 1 here as the subtraction result. Okay, when C is positive, 20 positive, that time we are taking that two numbers whose multiplication is C and addition is B. But here we'll take multiplication is C but subtraction is B because they will be different sign. So what can be the number? It will be 132 has your factor 11, 11 into 12. So 11 into 12, your 132, and 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. So I will now apply this. So let me rub this portion. What is it? I'm rubbing all this portion, and so take care. Please note down. What is it? When B is positive, C is positive, both the factors are positive. When B is negative, C is positive, you are getting both the factors are negative. But when C is negative, I told C is negative, we'll get one factor as positive, one factor as negative. So if you'll keep in mind, you can solve all the questions. Now I'm going for this question where C is negative. How to proceed this question? First, you will think of what are the two numbers whose multiplication is 132 and the subtraction result is equal to your how much? Your 1, because x square plus x means it is 1x, it is hidden, minus 132. So as I discussed, 132 is factor 11 and 12. So 12 minus 11 is 1. So I'll write x square plus, I'll write instead of 1, I'll write 12 minus 11 into x minus 132. Next we'll go for x square. I'll make 12x, but it will be positive. But take care, 11 will be negative, so minus 11x. So as I told, one positive, one negative, or negative positive, both will be different sign when C is negative. C means constant. So taking x common now, I'll get x plus 12, and from these two I'll take negative 11 common, so both will be positive. Take care that if whatever you are getting in the first term, you should get in the second term. Next I'll take x plus 12 common, so x will be left in the first one, 11 will be in the second. So just see the factors, one is positive, one is negative. So x square plus x minus 132 is equal to x plus 12 multiplies your x minus 11. Next, question number 17. It is the similar question. C is negative here, x square plus 5x minus 144. What you'll do, you can pause the video, you can do yourself. You have to think two numbers whose sum is your 104. And same number when subtracts, they gives you 5. We have to split 5 as subtraction of two result is equal to 5. Can you think? Yes, you can think. 104 is in 13 multiplication table, 13 8 times. So 13 8 times 104, 13 minus 8 is 5. So I can break 5 as 13 minus 8. So writing is very important. Plus I'll write 13 minus 8 x. Once you understand, you can skip the step, but don't skip the step if you are not confident. So 13x will be positive and minus 8x will be negative, minus 104. Then I'll take x common, x plus 13, minus 8 common, x plus 13. When you are taking negative, this will be also positive. So again, x plus 13 taking outside. Here x remains, here minus 8 remains. So x square plus 5x minus 104 is equal to x plus 13 multiplies your x minus 8. Next, y square plus 7y minus 144. So you have to break or you have to split the 7 into subtraction result, because this is negative 144, c is negative. So you have to think two numbers whose subtraction is 7 and whose multiplication is equal to 144. Okay, so 144, what are the factors? One is 12 12, no. One is 16 9, 16 minus 9 is this 7, yes. So I got it very quickly. So you will write y square, you will split 7 as 16 minus 9, y minus 144. Then this will be y square plus 16y minus 9y minus 144. So y taking common, y plus 16 minus 9 common, y plus 16. Then I'll take y plus 16 common. What will be left? Y minus 9. So this is the answer of this question. So y square plus 7y minus 144 is equal to y plus 16 multiplies y minus 9. Next, z square plus 19z minus 150. Same question. If you will multiply two numbers, it will give you 150, but you will subtract, it will give you 19. Let us go doing. So it will be 15 into 10. It can be 30 into 5. It can be your 25 and 6. 25 in 6. 25 minus 6 is 25 minus 6 is equal to 19. 25 into 6 is equal to 150. So let us break your 19 as 25 minus 6 z minus 150. So this will be z square minus 25z, sorry, plus 25z minus 6z minus 150. So what will take common? Z will come on, Z plus 25 minus 6 will come on, Z plus 25. Next, Z plus 25 common, it remains Z minus 6. So Z square plus 19Z minus 150 is equal to Z plus 25 into Z minus 6. ठीक है, हमने 19 को तोड़ा 25 माइनस 6 में, और 25 6 इंटू करने से 150 होता है. जहाँ सी के आगे नेगेटिव रहेगा तो हम इसको माइनस करके लिखेंगे. दो नंबर सोचेंगे जिसको माइनस करने से 19 होगा. y स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 72, y स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 72. तो दो नंबर इंटू करने से 72 आएगा, दो नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से 1 आएगा. Two numbers multiply 72, two numbers subtracted 1. Certainly it will be 9 into 1, 8. 9 into 8, 72. 9 minus 8, 1. So break it. So y square, I'll write plus, it will be 9 minus 8 into y minus 72. So this will be y square plus 9y minus 8y minus 72. Now y taking common, y plus 9 minus 8 taking common, y plus 9. Then y plus 9 I'll take common. What will be left? Y minus 8 will be left. So y square plus y minus 72 is equal to y plus 9 into y minus 8. Let me write another question here, though it is not, I have taken the questions from the R.S. Agrawal class 8 book. If it would be y square minus y minus 72, what would be the answer? This is the answer now. If this question would be this, let me make a question. So what I'll write y square minus, here I'll write 9 minus 8y. Same number, but here this was a positive, so I took positive, I wrote positive. I wrote positive here. When it is a negative here, I'll write negative here. Then what will be change? When I'll multiply, 9y will be negative and 8y will be, there are two negative before it, so it will be positive 8y minus 72. Then if I'll take y common, it will be y minus 9 plus 8 common, here plus 8 common, then it will be y minus 9. Then again y minus 9 common, I'm getting y plus 8. So for change of one sign, you are getting the opposite of this. This is y plus 9, y minus 8. This is y minus 9, y plus 8. So symbol is very important. Sign is very important in factorization. You have to write carefully. Now, a square plus 6a minus 91. Think of two number whose multiplication is 91 and subtraction is 6. It is very simple. Why? Because 91 is in the table of 13. 13 7 times 91. 13 minus 7, 6 is 7 is 6. 13 into 7 is 91. So write quickly a square plus 6. Split it as 13 minus 7. A minus 20, 91. So then it will be a square into plus 13a minus 7a minus 91. Take a common, a plus 13 minus 7 common, a plus 13. When I am taking minus, that means both will give this negative and both will make made positive. And whatever will be here, you carry this one. This is the most important thing. This is the trick. You will never be wrong. Then y plus 13 into a minus 7. It is not ya. So this is the answer. So a square plus 6a minus 91 is equal to a plus 13 multiplies a minus 7. Next, p square minus 4p minus 77. Same thing, multiply two things giving you 77, and there is a 7 negative before the constant. So same number subtracted gives you 4. What is the 17? Multiplication table 11 into 7. And do you get 11 minus 7? 4? Yes. So immediately you are getting. So I'll write p square. So take care how I'm writing. This negative will be carrying very carefully. This is 4. I'll break into 4. I split into 11 minus 7. So in place of 4, I'll write 11 minus 7. And minus 17 as it is. Now when I'll write the next step, I should be very careful. It will be negative 11p, but 7p will be positive because there are two negative before it. Minus 77. Two negatives are multiplied, it will be positive. So take p common, p minus 11, then your 7 common, p minus 11. Then p minus 11 common, p plus 7. So what I told you to be careful. One is whatever sign here, you write here. And what should be written here, it should be same. Otherwise, there is a mistake somewhere. Next, x square minus 7x minus 30. So two numbers when we multiply gives you 30. 2 because it is negative here. So 7 I am getting as your subtraction. What are the numbers? 15 into 2. Does it 7? 15 minus 2? No. Then 10 into 3. 10 minus 3, 7. 10 minus 3, 7. 10 into 3 is 30. So this is the result. How to break it? 10 minus 3. So I'll write x square minus 10 minus 3. I'm splitting 7 as 10 minus 3 minus 30. Then I'll go for x square minus 10x. 10 will be negative but 3 will be positive because there are two negatives. 3x minus 30. So what will be common from first? X minus 10. What I'll write here? I'll write positive here. 3, then x minus 10. Next what? X minus 10 taking common. What will be left? It will be x is left. Second term 3 is left. So this is the answer. So x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to x minus 10 multiplies your x plus 3. Question number 24. X square minus 3x minus 42. So two number think of gives you 42 and 42 is negative is C. So two numbers when subtracted gives you 3. What are the number? 42. 42 multiplication is 14 into 3. 14 minus 3 does not give you 3. No, cancel. Then 7 into 6. 7 6 times your 42. 7 minus 6 is not equal to 3. Cancelled. Is there any other number? 7 into 2 into 3. It is 42. Are you getting the number? 21 into 2. 21 into 2, no. 7 into 3 into 2. 14 into 3, no. Then question must be somewhere mistake. It will be 11x minus 42. So what I'll write? I'll write x square minus 14 minus 3. X minus 42. Then x square minus 14x plus 3x minus 42. Then your x taking common, x minus 14 plus 3 taking common, it will be x minus 14. So I'll take x minus 14 common into x plus 3. I changed the question because there is no such number when it is multiplied gives you 42 and when it is subtracted gives you 3. Is there a number? No, because 42 is equal to your 14 into 3, 42 is equal to 7 into 6, 42 is equal to your 28, no, 7, 6, no, then 14, 3, no more things. So they do not give you 3. Either it will be 13 or it will be 3. Okay. Next, x square minus 5x minus 24. If we'll multiply two numbers gives you 24, and when they are subtracted they give you 5. So it is very simple. It is 8 into 3, 24. 8 minus 3 is your 5. So I'll write x square minus 8 minus 3x minus 24. So x square minus 8x, but 3 will be plus 3x minus 24. So what will take common? I'll take x common, x minus 8. Next I'll take 3 common, x minus 8. Next it will be x minus 8 into x plus 3. So this is the answer. Question number 26. Y square minus 6y minus 135. So you have to split 6 as the two numbers, multiply your 135, and two numbers when subtracted gives you 6. How much it will be? 135. You will go 15. Okay, it is 6. Then it will be simple. 59 times is 135. By trial and error method you can take 135 is equal to 35 into 5. You can take 135 is equal to 15 into 9. You can write 3 into your 27. 5 into 27 you can write 27, 5. You can go on writing, but I have got it. That is your 15 and 9. So I'll write y square minus 15 minus 9 y minus 135. I hope you can write yourself now. You have developed the concept in between. 9y will be positive because there are two minus 135. So this will be y taking common, y minus 15 plus 9 taking common, y minus 15. Then y minus 15 taking common, you are getting y plus 9. So this is the factor of y square minus 6y minus 135 is equal to y minus 15 into y plus 9. Next, 27. Z square minus 12z minus 45. So two numbers when you multiply gives you 45, and two numbers when you subtract gives you 12. Is it difficult? No. It is 15 into 3. 15 into 3, 45. 15 minus 3 gives you 12. So I'll write z square. I'll split your 12 as your 15 minus 3 minus 45. So in the next step, z square, it will be minus 15z, and 3 will be, there are two minus, so I'll take plus 3z minus 45. So I'll take z common, z minus 15 plus, this is plus here, I'll write plus 3, z minus 15. Then I'll take z minus 15 common, it will be z plus 3. Next, x square minus 4x minus 12. So I have to split 4 as subtraction result of 2 and whose multiplication result is 12. Very simple. It will be 6 into 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So I'll break this. I'll split this 4 as 6 minus 2 minus 12. Next step, it will be x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 12. Then I'll take x common, x minus 6 plus 2 common, x minus 6. I hope you are thinking that teacher should stop now. We can do yourself. No problem. You can stop it. You can go on doing yourself. You can pause the video, do yourself. So x square minus 4x minus 12, and I'll be happy if you have developed the concept and the confidence also. Next, 3x square plus 10x plus 8. This is another new question. Here is your ax square plus bx plus c. That means previously you are getting only x square. That means when x square has no coefficient, now it has coefficient. So what you how to do? You will multiply here 3 into 8. Where is 3? 3 is coefficient of x square and coefficient of this constant. So you have to think of two numbers again whose result is not 8, it is 8 into 3, 24. And same number when added gives you 10. Okay? Multiplication result is 24 and addition result is 10. So certainly this will be 6 plus 4, 10. And 6 into 4 is equal to your 24. So you will break 10 as your 6 plus 4. This is the splitting of 10 as 6 plus 4. So I'll write 3x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 8. So 10x we split into 6x plus 4x. Now out of these two I'll take 3x common. What will be left? X will be left. Here how much will be left? Out of 6 I have taken 3. So 2 will be left. Next go for the sign. It is positive. Out of 4x and 8 you will take 4 common. What will be left? X will be left. Plus out of 4 I have taken, out of 8 I have taken 4. How much will be left? 2 will be left. So again I'll take x plus 2 common. So how much will be the answer? Here 3x is left and here 4 is left. So the answer is 3x square plus 10x plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 multiplies your 3x plus 4. So this is the answer. Last question, 3y square plus 14x plus 8. Same way, you have to think two number whose product is 3 into 8, 24 again. And the same result when added gives you 14. What are the numbers? Certainly it will be 12 into 2, 24, 12 plus 2, 14. So I'll break 14 as 12 plus 2. So this will be 3y square plus 14. I am breaking as 12 plus 2. I can directly write, but I am writing in this way also. It can be written. So plus 12x plus 2x plus 8. Next, out of this first two, I'll take 3. Oh, sorry, this will be y square. This would be y. This should be y. This should be y. This should be y. I'm rubbing again. Huh? 1y, 1x cannot be written. This should be in the same variables. So this will be 3y square 14y. So I'll write 3y square plus 12y plus 2y plus 8. Next from these two I'll take 3 common, 3y common. So here y will be left and here 4 will be left. And out of these two, first you will carry this sign. 2 common, so y will be left. Out of 8 I have taken 2, so 4 will be left. So again I'll take y plus 4 from both of them. So for first term 3y will be left and for the second term 2 will be left. So this is the factor. So I'll write 3y square plus 14y plus 8 is equal to y plus 4 into 3y plus 2. So I hope now you are very confident to solve more questions. Solve more questions to develop your problem solving skills. Thank you for watching whole video and subscribe the channel if you like to learn more. Thank you and have a nice time.